I welcome you to Speed Learning app for your preparation for a Super Speciality exit exam. And I congratulate you for your wonderful decision that you have made for your preparation for your Super Speciality exit exam with an in-depth knowledge. I appreciate your sincere efforts that you have taken to register the Speed Learning app for your preparation. SS exit exam in Speed Learning app is curated in a way that to help you to acquire an in-depth knowledge of your Super Speciality program that you are doing right now, and also to help you to clear your final year exams both in the theory and your clinicals, and also to help you to get you into the recent advances and updates in the super specialty that is happening on daily basis, on monthly basis. In Speed Learning app, for the SS exit exam, you kindly go through the super specialty program that you are registered for, the live video folders to go on with that. Then for a clinical case discussion, we would have given a clinical case discussion folders for you to discuss and know about the long cases and short cases for your clinical program. And also to acquire in-depth knowledge, there will be a folder called Mastery in SS. That will have the sessions for you to acquire the knowledge that you required for your super specialty program. At Speed, you will have a dedicated relationship manager to assist you for all your technical assistance. For any of your academic related queries and all those doubts, you can note it down on looking on the recorded videos, and during the live interactive session with our expert faculty members, you can attend those live interactive session, and also you can clarify all your doubts that you have. All sessions in Speed Learning app for SS Exit course are live scheduled class. I recommend to attend the live scheduled class at the maximum, and the possibility in case you are not able to attend, the same class gets recorded and uploaded in the app in a subsequent day. For any academic assistance, you can feel free to reach out to me in my WhatsApp number of 9840044686. I am here to assist you, help you and support you to achieve a good results in your SS exit exam, and at the same time to acquire an adequate knowledge for your clinical exposure and for your practice in future. On behalf of all the expert faculty members, I wish a great preparation with Speed Learning app for your SS exit exam.